morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. So today I got some big shit to show you guys. We're gonna try to work on the stealth a little bit and pretty much pack up the old area. I have upgraded heavily, at least in my opinion I have. Don't mind if I'm exactly tired. I am very tired. Just got off of work this morning at 6:30. From working third shift at East Penn making batteries. I'm a plate prep operator. You guys probably don't know what that is, and that's okay. That's okay. Let's just say Deca Batteries. You guys should buy that brand because I work for them. But we're about to be where my cars are located in about a couple of seconds. Quite literally, like they're down the street. But I just wanted to record this quick little clip basically as an intro because I low-key be forgetting intros and I be forgetting outros. It's just kind of something I do. So without saying too fucking much, let's just get into this shit. I'm yapping. Alrighty, well here we are. As you guys know, this has been the workshop for like the last year and a half, 2 years. Has been bad, very grateful that I have had this little spot to work on my cars pretty much. But yeah, as you guys can see, a lot of stuff is no longer here, such as the turbo kit, a lot of the spray paint, a lot of shit in general. And today I plan on taking this and that, and you'll see what I'm talking about later. What a damn cool morning it is. But yep, this car's almost done, ready to be back on the road after so fucking long. And this car is going to be getting moved. I still own it, obviously. It's my Honda. But I'm going to be taking measurements to ensure it fits in the new location. And the 240 will be there too. But for right now, I just kind of want to look at the fucking stealth. Oh, man. I guess I should take off the tarps and shit. Everything's wet. It's kind of cold. Everything's a little damp. But all I really want to do is try to get these fucking axles in, and that would be it for today with this car, bro. That's literally all I want to accomplish is getting fucking axles in, because these things have been a pain in my fucking ass, and they're starting to get a little rusty. I just want them in the car, because then I could fill the transmission up, and then bleed the clutch, and I also got coolant for the thermostat housing. So I guess without further ado, let's just start taking this shit apart. So bam, Dodge Stealth with the new engine. Ugh. Fuck, I am tired. I should be asleep right now for tonight's shift, but here I am. Fucking working on my Dodge. What's new? At least my fucking Dakota runs fantastic. That doesn't give me a single problem. This thing, on the other hand. So this side's an absolute no-go. I have been sitting here for the last like 20 minutes just shoving and shit on it. It's fucking pointless. We're gonna try the driver's side, but I don't want to waste time today. If I need to get new fucking axles, I'm just gonna buy new fucking axles. I'm not even gonna worry about it. Only one thing I can do, and that's try. Just never not try. Most people are scared just to even fucking try. So we're just gonna try. Yep. Could have saw that one coming. It just doesn't want to fucking go in. Why? I don't know. Alright, well after like an hour of absolutely fucking useless fighting, I'm done with that car for the day, dude. I'm gonna have to get new axles. At least the CV axle, I know there's a replacement for. The spring, if you know what I'm talking about, there's like a little clip. My clip's not fucking working for shit. Now I gotta find a 19 mil because I'm gonna tear these things apart, but this has just been a headache, man. An absolute headache. I'm fucking exhausted. But hey, you know, failure is a part of the game. I just tend to know it really, really well. And I'm getting tired of knowing it, but what else can you do except keep fucking trying? Even if it means fucking being exhausted. It's gotta give eventually. You know, something's gotta give. Can't stay broken forever. As long as I keep trying and trying. I think I'm just gaslighting myself at this point, bro. Well, here we are, boys and girls. Probably just boys, because who the fuck is watching my videos? Oh, bam. Workplace. Oh, walking back in here, I definitely think the 240 can fit, like right here, and then the Accord should be able to fit as well. It'll be a little tight, but damn. Got the workstation. I'll give you all a little tour. So, little work desk came with the place. Pretty nifty, right, guys? I got the wheels already in here, welder down there, some pads that came with it. I've already kind of started throwing 240 shit in here. I got the turbo. Nice little turbine, turbski. Obviously got to keep the place clean, but it comes with a breaker. I got power, fire extinguisher, like lights. Oh, cannot wait to start getting this place looking much nicer. It'll be nice. Alrighty, so just a little update. Got the stand and lift looking good. I'm about to tighten everything down bolt-wise. Like, these bolts are a little loose, but I'm gonna tighten shit down, get this tightened up. Probably hang out for a bit, because this is now pretty much a home away from home, I'm not gonna lie. This is like where I'll be chilling most of the time. Just in my fucking garage, which is sweet. And this is just the start too, man. This is a little 2-car garage for right now. Something bigger opens up here, I might move in. I was just talking to my homie. He was saying that there's a possibility of other ones opening up too. So, you know, in due time. Right now, this one's affordable for me, but I can only fit 2 of my cars in here. So I definitely would like to get something like 4 to 5 car garage-ish, because room for tools, fabrication stuff, all that good shit. And on top of the cars too. And then room to work. You know, I'm figuring out there's more than just, oh, we need place to put car. We need place to put everything for car. And you know, only one way to fucking do it, and that's just kind of play it by ear and keep working hard. Cause I mean, shit, fucking 4-something years, I believe I've been working on cars, and this is the start, bro. This is finally have my own place. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Just walking around in it is like, wow. It's nothing crazy, but it's mine, and that's all that matters.